A conflict thousands of miles away is about to hit your wallet hard. Rising energy and food prices from the Middle East crisis could slow the global economy this year. The International Monetary Fund has issued a stark warning. The ongoing conflict involving the U.S., Israel, and Iran in West Asia will drive up energy and food costs globally. This surge in prices is expected to fuel inflation across continents, squeezing household budgets and pushing up costs for businesses. The IMF stresses that the longer and more expansive the conflict, the worse the inflation and economic slowdown will be worldwide.